Okay, the moment is here. What's up, guys? Kevin from Epic Gardening. We're trying out a cocoa seed pod or cacao seed pod, and what an amazing thing to behold just looking at it. I mean, it almost doesn't look real. There's this rippled, ridged sort of appearance to it. These come in all different colors. You can see this one is a nice sort of toasted brown, like a pretty well toasted piece of toast. And so what you can do is you can open this up and you can eat the pulp around the seeds, as well as you can actually eat the seeds. And so I've been waiting to dig into this for quite a while. I'm really excited to show you guys how to open it up and how to eat it. So without further ado, let's figure this out. So what I'll do is I will take off the ends, just kind of come around. There we go. So there's the end, and first of all, let's really understand the full experience. Let's give it a smell. It kind of smells like a lychee or a rambutan. It has like a tropical sort of scent to it. Okay, so we have that. Let's finish cutting it open. Okay, the moment of truth is here, my friends. Oh my gosh, look at that. Who would have thought that that is what the cacao pod looks like on the inside? Wow. Okay, so let's give it a smell. I'm coming in. Oh my gosh, it very much smells like a rambutan or a lychee type of tropical flavor there on the nose. But wow, does it ever look weird? I'll tell you that much. These sort of seeds are surrounded in this white pulp that is very squishy, very gelatinous, and we're gonna go ahead and give these a try. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is grab a seed. Like I said, you've got that white sort of pulp around it, and that's what we're gonna be eating right now, at least. Let's pop it in. Ooh! That's really sweet. Really sweet. Very much like a sweet peach melon. This is really good. I'm gonna have another. I'm not gonna eat the seeds yet. I think what you're supposed to do is kind of suck on the outer pulp until it kind of goes away, and then you're left with the seeds to then process further if you want to. But wow, highly recommend. The flavor and the scent are very reminiscent of like a lychee with more peach and melon in it. But wow, a really, really incredible flavor. Who would have known the pulp of what then becomes chocolate actually tastes this sweet and this good? So we've already tried the outer pulp, which has a really beautiful tangy flavor, but that of course is surrounding the inside seed pod, or sorry, seed right there. As you can see, a little bit of that dark color that we're very, very familiar with from looking at a cacao seed. Now, normally what you do is you would ferment these seeds, and then you go through a roasting process and further processing, which I may very well do. But just for the sake of this video, you can, in theory, eat the cacao seed raw. So I want to see what it tastes like. It probably won't taste absolutely amazing, but let's go ahead and find out. I'm going to take a bite. I'll show you a cross-section of it really quickly. It looks like chocolate already. So look at the interior. It already has a sort of chocolate look to it, and certainly has a bit of a chocolate smell. Look at that right there. Just really, really looks like chocolate to me. So the moment of truth is how does it actually taste as a raw seed? Let's go ahead and try. Oh my gosh. It tastes like, it smells and tastes like an extremely dark chocolate that's extremely bitter. But it's not bad. It's just like pre-chocolate. It almost tastes like if you had a candle that was chocolate flavored and that's what you were eating, which I know doesn't sound amazing, probably sounds pretty gross, but the fact that I know it's not a candle and I know that it's actually the precursor to what becomes chocolate is a really interesting flavor to have eaten it at this phase. And honestly, I wonder if you were to eat the pulp plus the seed, if that would be a good flavor combo raw. But what we're gonna do is we're probably gonna go ahead and ferment these and see if we can process them into some amalgam of chocolate in another video, so stay tuned for that. And until next time, highly recommend you try out a cacao seed pod if you haven't ever tried one before. Like I said, I got mine from my friends at Miami Fruit. So until next time, good luck in the garden and keep on growing.